What's up, guys? Charlie here with Personal Edge Fitness, and today we're going to break down the deadlift to show you a few different ways to do it properly. First up, we got the Sumo Deadlift. The Sumo Deadlift, you're going to have a wide stance, feet slightly pointed out, and then before you pick up that bar, you're going to breathe and brace. Next, you're going to drive your feet into the floor and stand up tall. Notice from this angle that my back stays flat throughout the entire movement. The Sumo Deadlift is a great exercise to build up the glutes because it's very hip dominant. Next, we're going to go over the conventional deadlift. With the conventional deadlift, you're going to have more of a narrow stance. Notice how Josh sets himself close to the bar, lowers his hips, and drives up. The conventional deadlift is more of a low back dominant exercise, which is why it's great for building up the spinal erectors and the low back. Lastly, we got the snatch grip deadlift. The snatch grip deadlift is very similar to conventional deadlift, except you have a very wide hand grip to focus on building up upper back strength. If you have any more questions about the deadlift and how to do it correctly, be sure to check out episode 210 of our podcast for more information.